In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track hours worked on client projects using Notion. It's a straightforward process that, once set up, can save you a lot of time and help keep your projects organized. Let's get started. First, you'll want to navigate to your connected workspace in Notion. If you're already familiar with Notion, you'll know it's a versatile tool for managing documents, projects, and even wikis. It provides a structured environment where you can keep all your work in one place, which is excellent when handling multiple client projects. Now, log in using your credentials. It's easy to get carried away with countless tabs open, so ensure you're in the right account if you manage multiple workspaces within Notion. Once logged in, head straight to the Notion home. The home screen is your hub for all activities in Notion, where you'll find direct access to all your current projects and recently worked on pages. You'll feel right at home if you've already familiarized yourself with the layout. Next, look for the Templates section. Templates are a fantastic feature in Notion, providing pre-made structures that save you the hassle of building from scratch. Within the Templates area, use the search function to find a time-tracking database. This search will give you several options, specifically designed to help you track the time spent on various projects. If you're managing multiple clients, this organization will be invaluable. Now, select a template that suits your specific needs. You'll notice different templates will offer different features, so take a moment to preview a few. Once you've found one that appeals to you, go ahead and click on Add. By adding this to your workspace, you can start modifying it to match the workflow and requirements of your projects. With the template added, it's time to edit it. Editing allows you to personalize the setup. Maybe you'll add columns for different project categories or client names. The flexibility here is endless, so be creative and precise to get the most out of the tool. In summary, these steps will help you efficiently set up a system in Notion for tracking hours worked on client projects. Regularly updating your time entries is vital to ensure your records remain accurate. By staying on top of this routine, you'll gain better insights into how your time is distributed across various tasks and projects. Just remember, the key to successful time management starts with regular updates and adjustments as needed. With this setup, you've taken a significant step towards streamlined project management and productive time tracking. Thank you for watching.